So here is a tutorial for those of you who are yet to understand how to fund your stockbroker account. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can transfer money from your mobile app into your stockbroker app or account, right? So you need to have created your stockbroker account, register, verify it. So if you are yet to do that, please create your stockbroker account and get it verified. Now, in this tutorial, I will make use of the Afrinvestor 2.0. If you are using an Android, you can get it on Play Store. If you are using iOS, you can get it on App Store. Now, let's get it started right now. So the first thing I want to do is I want to log in into my Afrinvestor 2.0. I've logged in right here now. And then once you log in, the first thing you see is the home page of the app. Then you click on Fund Wallet. Once you click on Fund Wallet, the next step to do, or the next thing to do, is to input the amount of money you want to deposit into your wallet. Then you input it. For in this tutorial, let's make use of 500,000. So 500,000. Now we click on Continue. So we will deposit 500,000 Naira into this stockbroker account. So you have two options involved to deposit into your stockbroker account on Afrinvestor 2.0. You can either use the credit or debit card or the bank transfer. The bank transfer is the fastest option. So just the normal way you transfer funds to your loved ones, right? So you click on bank transfer. Once you click on bank transfer, you wait for the app to open the next page. So on the next page, you'll see two banks options given to you. You can either use MoneyPoint or Wema Bank. So I prefer to use a MoneyPoint. It's so fast. Now, what you need to do is to copy the account number given to you on your screen. Now, copy that. Once you copy that, then you go into your mobile, that is your bank mobile app. Then you do the transfer to this account number, to this account name, and to this bank, right? So it's so simple. The normal way you transfer funds to your supplier, to your buyer, to your customers, your family, children, this is the same way you use to transfer or to fund into your stockbroker account. So let's do that right now. So I click on my mobile app. We search MoneyPoint. It's right here. So this Afrinvestor MoneyPoint. This is the bank account number. This is the bank ID, and you input the amount you want to deposit. This is 500,000. You can input your name as narration. You can input your name. So you click on transfer. You verify the way you verify from your mobile apps. So once we do that, then the next step is to go into our mobile stockbroker app. And there we go under the wallet. So on the wallet, you can see right now, let's check. Today is 29th of April. So the transfer is here to be deposited. The last transfer we did is on the 4th, that is on the 15th of April. So we have to wait for 29th today. It takes a few seconds. Okay. Successful. You can see now the funds has been deposited into our stockbroker account. So this is how you deposit funds into your stockbroker account. So simple, straightforward. So if you'd like to learn more about how to trade, maybe you want to trade forex, crypto, commodity, or index markets, join the VIP community of Chart Empire Trading Academy. Links in the description of this video. So whenever I want to purchase or sell any of my shares, or I want to invest in the stock market, I will always notify you in the community. All right, you can use the free trading signals link as well in the description of this video to get access to our free trading signals community. As well, if you want to register with a reliable, honest, transparent broker, use the broker registration link in the description of this video. I will see you in the next one. So fund your stockbroker account and get ready for shares purchasing opportunities.